So it's holiday time and I'm attempting to fit all of this into here. So let's see how I get on. So that was actually really easy. I don't know if these are going to go on top or in though. What's the hold up, Remy? My sea bay. Yeah.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Yes, go on, you can have.
So we've got to Skipsea Sands, and we've just had a bit of a mooch about, and the others have gone to get some food, so me and John have been for a Guinness and a little bit of a dog walk, although Remy is absolutely knackered, but he's in one of them moods where he doesn't want to sleep, like he's overstimulated, so I took him for another little walk. Just waiting for everybody to get back so we can have some food, and then I think we're going to go for another beach walk. So yeah, overall it's pretty good. The one thing I will say is though, if you do come here and you do book a dog caravan, a dog friendly caravan, expect the caravan to strongly smell of dog, so it set my allergies off. But other than that, it seems to be a really big complex and it seems to be pretty good. So a bit of an update, we've had a power cut. The brake pads and discs are going on the car, so now we need to go and find somewhere to try and fix that. And this little one didn't sleep, which meant
from that way.
It's one of them little northern ones.
so this is like a little fish and chip bar, but there's no information anywhere to say when it actually opens, and it wasn't open yesterday, so I'm thinking maybe it might just be a weekend thing. There's not really a lot of information given to you when you first arrive, but then so from here, if you go down, down here we have the sales inquiry centre, and we also have like kind of the arcade. The arcade inside has things for children, but it also has like an over 18 section, and to the left here is a Nisa logo and a laundrette. So just a bit of a catch up from the last clip. I'd gone into the arcade and basically was ID'd, so couldn't stay in because I didn't have any ID with me, even though I was in the under 18s bit. So I was going to show you around there but couldn't. There is also another little mini arcade next to the swimming pool. For the swimming pool you've got to book. I've just booked this for tomorrow. You get given a slot, it is free. So I'm going at 12 for an hour. There is a mini bowling alley too. So I've just inquired about that, and that is £10 for 45 minutes. Not very cheap. Although I do think you can have as many people playing, so maybe it's not too bad.
random coloured stones on it. Look at that one. Big wave coming here. Big wave. Run, run, run! Run, run!